Okay, so I got myself some vice grips here, and we're going to get this thing off of here. Now, if you have a wrench, probably a wrench will work better. Whoa. This one here just had that kind of a fitting on it. The other one doesn't quite look like that, the new one. The new one we will, before we put it on, we'll actually do the taping. Teflon tape around the edge there will make a better seal. So let's put that on. Find the edge of my Teflon tape. Just a moment. Okay. Here we go. Here's my Teflon tape. Put this on here. We're just going to wrap it liberally on here, around the edge of the seal here. That'll take care of it. That's probably enough, 3 times around. Pull it out. There we go. Now let us put the other one on. There we go. This is a lot easier to get on than the other one was to get off. Yeah. There we go. That's all there is to it. We now have a new shower head in here with some variables. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. That's very nice. Ah, that's nice. So, anyway, I think that's just what the doctor ordered. Provided the doctor was going to be taking a shower in our bathroom. There you go. Cheers.